Welcome to my channel. Can you guess this eagle? Three, two, one. The answer is harpy eagle. Only true bird lovers know this one. Three, two, one. The answer is golden eagle. Recognize this powerful eagle? Three, two, one. The answer is bald eagle. This rare eagle is from the jungle. Three, two, one. The answer is Philippine eagle. One of the biggest eagles in the world. Three, two, one. The answer is Steller's sea eagle. Can you name this African hunter? Three, two, one. The answer is Martial eagle. This dark eagle looks super mysterious. Three, two, one. The answer is Black eagle. Sharp eyes, deadly hunter. Three, two, one. The answer is Crowned eagle. This sea eagle is famous in Europe. Three, two, one. The answer is White-tailed eagle. Last one. Can you guess it before time ends? Three, two, one. The answer is Steppe eagle. How many did you guess correctly? Comment your score. Like, share. Subscribe to Bakpankidunya for more wildlife quizzes.